Right, we Grabo and for a pair. Not doing nout. Battery's charged. Not even the light coming on. Right. Now, customer says this was used to lift sandstone. There's two of them in for a pair. Two of them developed the same fault at the same time. He thinks it sucked the water out of the sandstone and it may have pulled inside. Right, check his board. That switch is feeling very crunchy. And it's not giving me anything out. Maybe this wee switch may be at fault. Sounds better. Switch it on. Better. Try this again. We got lights this time. It's trying to run. Ooh. That was hurt. Clean the switch and also give the fan a wee rotation by hand. Water must have got inside the wee pump itself. So that must have seized up a wee bit, moving on, just freed it, broke it free again. Hopefully that should be her. Stick her back together and give her a proper test here. These Grabos wouldn't be new on the market. They've been out a while, but a lot of people don't actually know about them. They're a wild good piece of kit. Wild friggin' useful. Basically just a suction cup for lifting. Battery, a control board and a motor running a pump. Mix the vacuum underneath. Sticks it to any surface. If you're working with glass or tiles or slits, anything big and heavy, stick this down, switch it on, get yourself a handle, fill up them. Like I say, they've been out a while, but they'll probably come down a fair bit in price. They're quite affordable now for most boys. That's looking better. Switch her on. That's her running. She's on. That is working. It's just not getting suction on my bench because it is no longer new. The lino's all damaged and dented. Stick it on a fresh bit. You lift the bench before you lift that thing off. Right here in the floor, look. It's right here on the floor. That's the suction. The work, the amount of work the motor's doing. Get the hand down. Not a hope. Not a hope of moving that there when she's stuck down. Even still has the vacuum on it. Some piece of kit. Grabo suction lifter, unrepaired. Handy piece of kit to have. You could also change these pads on them as well. Get a deeper pile so you can actually grab hold of even coarser material. Things like rock and stone and stuff. And it has an uneven pattern that can still lift it. Essential if you're doing any sort of heavy lifting with large awkward objects.